Hi guys, so what's the right answer here? 12 divided by 2 times 6. So these two symbols, division and multiplication, are mathematical operations. And we have a little trick that helps us to remember the order in which to do them, and we call it PEMDAS. And in order to remember it, there's a little rhyme that goes along with it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which you may have heard of before. Once again, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And what they stand for is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So this is the order in which we normally do things, left to right, starting with parentheses. Before continuing, I should introduce myself. My name is John, and I'm running this channel, The Tentative Tutor. And I've been teaching and tutoring mathematics for decades. I have 3 degrees in it. My mission is to try to clarify some of these mathematical concepts to as many people as possible. So if you'd like to help me out, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that will help me to reach a broader audience. So as we said, this will govern the order in which we do the operations. However, there's a little misconception when it comes to this acronym. Multiplication doesn't always go before division. Instead of M followed by D, it's really M or D, meaning we just go left to right and we do whatever occurs first. So if we see multiplication followed by division, then we would do multiplication first. On the other hand, if we see division followed by multiplication, we would do the division first. So in particular for this problem, we must do the division first. That is, we first take 12 divided by 2 and we'll get 6. And then finally take 6 times 6 and we'll get 36.